Alright, we have since raised the cable all the way up to that level. It was down there. We figured higher is better. Ryan's going to go drive. We got the cable loose from the tree. Now I would just kind of go about 5 miles an hour and just keep going. And once it gets tight, just give her gas. Let's see, is that going to fall on him? Possibly. There he is sizing.
That's the easiest thing we've done, so and that's going upstairs. So this should be a lock for nothing to happen.
That's right. This is one of the most dangerous things we've done, so that means there's no injuries. Hey, Rye.
Hey, what's up?
I'll give you this signal and you get out of the Rhino, okay? Cable, tree. We have Ryan driving because he's got a little more weight, a little more momentum. Put it in low.
What?
Put it in low.
It's in low.
Okay? Get out, get out, get out, get out! That's all she needed. Just a little rusty. We need to watch our axemen. I wonder what Chutney would have done in this situation. Probably call someone and hire him.